I just made a video, but I got some new photos I want to show you. Really, 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 really. That's McQueen, Jackson Storm, the new Nitro 8 racer, the new Dynaco racer, or Hank Weathers, Bobby Swift, unknown Tank Coat racer, Brick Yardley, the green Vitaline racer, a new Bumper Safe racer, a new Foxwell Drive Dirt Decals racer, and a new Combustor racer. Actually, no, a new sponsor of the racer. And as you can tell, most of these sponsors were in cars. So we're back in the Piston Cup series. So yep, we're back in the Piston Cup series. The title of this episode, not this episode, but this video will be new photos of cars. 3. Jackson and Lightning, McQueen and Storm, saying their names. Hank and Nitro Aid, number 42, number 8. Does he even have a number? Yeah, number 28, actually, number 42 and 28. Then Combustor behind them. Actually, no, not Combustor, Octane Gain. Sorry about that. That's Combustor. And that's Foxwell Drive Dirt Decals. My camera won't focus on them, so Tank Coat. Rick Yardley, right there, the green racer. Oh, I thought that was that one racer, but I was incorrect. And that's a new Bumper Save racer. Looks just like the old Bumper Save. Now I'll show you who I thought he was. I thought this guy, this green car, was Rick Yardley, aka Vitaline. But he has the bigger spoiler and he's white. Actually, no, that could be Vitaline. But no, he has a spoiler, a bigger one, at least. I just really had to point that out. New Cars 3 photos. Yep, that's New Cars 3 photos. New Cars 3 photos. Well, that one I showed you wasn't really new, but yeah. One of the races happens at Cooper Canyon Speedway. I think that's Cooper Canyon. Let's see, this phone is terrible. It's never mind. But if you look at the trailer, or if you go to Tispertai, he really just pauses it when it says Cooper Canyon. That's how I found out. So yeah, and that's how I got most of my photos. But I knew there's gonna be a lot of new sponsors on this movie, like Synergy, Igniter, who Jackson Storm races for, Combustor, who is unknown. But like I said, really hoping that more cars in this movie talk. Because really, not of course cars, but racers like that. We already know. My thumb keeps moving on the camera. Sorry. Jackson Storm's gonna talk, and of course Cruz is gonna talk. We heard it in the trailer, extended at least. So hopefully, some other racers get a chance to talk. But yeah, I just wanted to point that out to you guys. So yeah, subscribe, like, do what you gotta do. God first, God bless, peace out.